Okay. I know you've done these before, so hopefully some of this is refresher course,
Yes.
not brand new. Okay, area, what is it? Area is the space inside a polygon.
Just a polygon?
Yeah.
Space inside a polygon, yep.
Just a polygon.
Any polygon. So 4-sided, 5-sided, 3-sided, 8-sided, 10-sided, right?
Yeah.
Any shape. Any shape, okay? We always talk about area, that space inside, as square units. So how many square units are needed to cover the figure or the shape? So how many little squares can I put inside there to fill it up? So when we look at these, you'll have a shape. They'll give you a shape, or they'll tell you the lengths. If they give you a shape, it won't just be blank, right? There'll be some numbers or some lines on there. So one way you might see it is if we were to put like a 3 and a 4 there. Like this is 3 tall and 4 wide. Okay. Another way they might do it, or also they might divide it then. They might actually draw the boxes in. So this is 3 boxes tall, 4 boxes wide. So when we do area, we're trying to figure out how many total boxes are there. Well, one way to find it is just to count them. Right? This one we could probably count pretty easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the area is 12. It's 12, right?
Yeah.
I mean, that's how many boxes are in there. Do you remember the other way? This is probably the way you learned last year, not counting boxes, but there was a multiplication problem you could do.
You count down
And the top.
and then the top, and then you.
What do you remember?
Base times height.
Yeah, either base times height, or sometimes you might have seen it as area equals length times width. Base times height is probably more common. That's the formula for a rectangle, okay? Or a square. This is a rectangle or square. Okay? It's not for every polygon. What questions do you have about area?
What if it's not a rectangle?
Yeah, that was mine though.
There are other formulas that we'll learn in the future for that. The other way to do it is we can cut some pieces apart. Well, I'll show you all that when we need to. Okay? Some of them are over there on that bulletin board over there. Like trapezoids and parallelograms and triangles. Remember that? Yeah.
In our like journal thingy.
So let's go to perimeter just to figure out what it is first. Perimeter is the distance around a polygon. So if you start on the outside, how far around the outside? If you were to walk around it, if you were to trace it, how far would you go? We can find it by adding the lengths of the sides. We do have a formula for rectangles for perimeter. Okay. P for perimeter is 2b plus 2 h. Where base is the base, b is base, and h is height. Okay. So when we look at this shape here, let's find the perimeter first of this one. We haven't done one of those yet. What would the length of the top here be?
5, 10. 10 altogether.
Just the top.
Oh, 5.
Just the top. It's 5, right? So it might be helpful for you on sometimes when you do these is to actually write all the numbers in. What would the length of this one be? 2. So we could do this one by adding them all together. 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5 equals
14.
14. Okay? And that's our perimeter. The other way we could use our formula, right? If you don't want to write all these in or write all this down, you could do your 2 times 5 plus 2 times 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. 10 plus 4 is 14 still. We still get the same answer, right? Okay. What would I write down as my formula in work if I was going to define the area?
Let A equals minus this.
A equals, and I'm going to use base and height just to stay consistent. But you can use length and width if you'd like. So what numbers would I put in there?
For what?
For the area.
2 and 5.
10.
5 times 2. So area equals 10. Okay? So you got area and you got perimeter.
Yep. That's easy. I understand.
You got those?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're just going to work on this guy today, the page 235. We'll work on this stuff. I'm not sure we're going to do this right now. We might hold off on that stuff till after exams. I'm not really sure where we're going to end up. So let's just do this guy, and then we'll work on some of this stuff tomorrow, okay? So just page 235, 2 through 10, 12 through 14, and 16 through 21. You can work on the other one.